Children of 20. Oh, I'm gonna go with Daddy Philippines. How much on?
What is that, Bukas? Saturday's fireworks?
Parang or at saka.
Yummy?
Yummy. Yummy na.
You like it?
Masarap pati kain ka na lang. Kasi dati ko na nakain.
You like it, Bukas?
Yummy, yeah.
You should be with Kuya.
I just
This is the Haunted Mansion.
seems black out.
Yeah. But I think you're not allowed there.
Ay, sabi ka.
Mga kainan.
Oo. Tinitignan ka lang.
Hi, Lucas. Lucas, say hello. Bangkok. Wow, I like this. We have here. Mukhang yummy to.
Ang sarap yan.
Ang bango. What is that?
Smoothie yan. Ah. Slash siya. Slash.
Mm. Smoothie.
Eh, masarap.
Wow, ang yummy nga.
Masarap siya kabayan. How much for that? Wow, I want something.
What's that?
I have the chicken here. Masarap nila.
Chicken? You want to eat chicken? What's that?
30 naman yung chicken, 35 yung shrimp. Gusto ko yung
Okay.
Process lang, yung pagkamasok na ano.
Yeah. What is this? Order here. This is Tom Yum. Masarap din dito. Oh, I'm feeling hungry na.
Ayun.
This one looks yummy also. Wow, that's yummy. This one is for you, look at that one. Chicken. Later, not now. Wow, this is more yummy, I think. With cheese and macaroni.
Macaroni, mac and cheese.
Seafood on the rock. Wow, ang daming serving. This one is yummy also.
Pang take out na po kayo.
Hold up.
Dami pa na kayo.
Yaya Mali.
Ito pa yung best seller po namin, Mongolian beef. Tapos
masarap yan.
noodles, may pad thai po.
Ayun, pad thai I like.
Pad thai.
Thailander too. And this is the owner. Beautiful Thailander. Thailander also?
Yeah.
Oh, welcome to UAE.
Rồi. Em thắt cái mì ôn hai luôn. Mấy cái này hai bên.